Yesterday I went to the park. I did so many activities over there. Let me show you. Let's get started. First, I saw the green monster over there and it was looking so dangerous. Then I joined the frog ride. Papa took me at the slide. Look, I was climbing up. Elephant.
What?
Elephant.
Where is elephant? Show me elephant. Come.
Were 3 elephants there. One was father, one was mother, one was kid. I enjoyed going through the tunnel. And I climbed one more tunnel. I was having so much fun. I can't tell you in a word.
Say hi.
And I swung seesaw with Mama. Then I was jumping on the numbers. Feel like a rabbit. It's so much fun.
Yes, jump. Jump on the star. Very nice.
Then I had fun with music instrument.
Yeah.
I like the duck ride most. I was feeling silly while doing this activity. I ended up with duck ride. Share, comment, subscribe to my channel.